Hello, I am doing an Amazon wig review of this wig right here. This is a beauty. She's gorgeous. She's got an ombre red running through her in the front. I love red wigs, and when I seen her, I couldn't wait for the order to come in. She's a little darker than what I'm used to, because I'm used to a little bit more red, so that's why I switched up. I switched up that I still have my red accents right here in front, and I'm trying something different with the dark color. So this wig, it is a 24-inch black wig, wine synthetic middle part wig, and heat resistant. I've had this wig for a little bit over a couple of months. I haven't worn it yet, but I am loving her. She comes with this flap right here. You can check my account. I've been had her because I washed her, I pin her up, and I get them ready to wear. So I'm doing a wig review, so I'm gonna wear her right now. So far I'm loving her. She has any combs, Missy? Any combs? I see a comb there, 2 combs, and 1 at the back. Nice head, and she comes with this lace in the front for the lace action. So yeah, she's still brand new to me. Go right on, put my clips in right there. She do look kind of natural. She got that natural flair. Let's pin her, pull her back. Yeah, she got that naughty girl look to it, huh? Get rid of this right here. We'll be doing just fine. Where is my scissors? If I find my scissors, this is coming off. Can't find my scissors. So, she's pretty. Let's pull her to the front. I can get real sophisticated with this. I hate this, have this lace here messing up my vibe. If I could be like, I'm serious with this wig on. I'm serious. I'm serious. Her curl pattern with the burgundy is pretty. It drops nice and pretty. It's not too dark. Let's see what we can do here. You know, I'm not supposed to turn her into a headband wig because this right here is supposed to be ironed all out, and you're supposed to use the part. That's why you bought this wig. It's a little bit more pricier. You're not supposed to do that. I'm so tempted to do it. But for right now, let's see what we can do. How do it look up? Because this is a lot of hair. I will have to put her up somehow. Found one of my old clips. My old clips, they used to hold good. You know, something like that. You fix this right here. I'm gonna have to hook this up. This is cute. Cute. She got a little wave at the end, you know. It's cute. A lot you could do with this. Gel it. Put a headband I'll wear it. This matches kind of too right here, so it kind of blends in nicely. What do you think? I like it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.